Put on cam, boss!
Paglaglag niya.
How could you make me hurt so late?
Ang gagawin mo yan, Mi. Yan yung mga pinapakinggan mo.
Tambay lang kami, sawa sa babae.
Ay, grabe.
Ito ba ng content isa?
Grabe.
Welcome back to my channel. So we're here now at Canyon Cove for Urban Smiles team building. And ayun yung mga basher ko. Ayun na. Wow. Hindi pa ako sikat.
Anak mo ah.
Hi guys! Mr.
Gago ma-cancel tayo dyan. Higa ka nga, RR, gawa ka ng ano, so angel.
Nasa ano, kay...
Hindi pa na bababa.
Hindi na rin ba?
Oo, ito. So ikaw, yung admin shirt.
Boss, Demon Slayer.
Sabi, free trial ng impyerno. Kahit video talaga.
Kain tayo, kain na, kain.
Di nyo kayang gawin niya kay sir. Mahina kayo. Mahina kayo. Di nyo kaya. Sige na, Bogart. Bogart at Brownie.
Tara, sutukan nga tayo naman. Dali, papawis lang. One time magalit tayo kasi nagkab. Hindi ko naman sinasadya.
Hi guys, so it's currently almost 9 p.m. Currently, almost. So we just had dinner. Look, it's so nice here. We just had dinner and we're back to work. Okay.
What are we going to do
So, do you know what we're going to do? We're going on comment below if you know what we're going to do. If you don't, keep on watching. So you know what, guys? It's so nice here in Canyon Cove. It's so big. Oh my god! It's the sign that you are a human.
You know, the lights are opening when there's a pretty person walking in the street.
Yeah, yun na siya, guys. Alam niyo naman, hindi lahat nabiyayaan na ipanganak ng Norman.
What?
What? Oh my God. So, ayan. The life of a marketing. All we do for
The top 5.
the top 5. Ano yung big? So this is what we do for Urban Smiles Dental Clinic, where beautiful smiles are made. Ay. Galing.
Galing ko, no? Ay. Like me. Like us. Like us.
Not like her.
Uy, tama. Ikaw.
Tanga ka?
Tanga ka ah.
Tawa tayo.
Every night.
Good morning! Okay, okay. So, guys, It's our second day here in Canyon Cove. Today will be the day for our team building, and later at night we're going to have a party. Okay? Oh my gosh! Ayun yung dalawa naming intern.
Oh.
I know, we're not an intern here. Bleep that. Bleep, bleep. Say hi to my vlog. Good morning, everyone.
Keycard.
Key here.
Documentary ba?
Bakit kami extra material?
Sabi kasi mo sa akin.
Sino ngayon ang mali?
God pala ang atake ni Kuya Mac. Tagapagbigay ng moral lesson.
Siya pala ang...
Tagapagbigay ng moral lesson.
Grabe naman yung ano.
Good morning!
Ilalim talaga. Buti na lang nasa
Ito yung video si Crunch na.
Say hi!
ay hindi, logo to.
Okay, we just had our lunch, our breakfast. And we're still fresh as ever. Wala makontent.
Sa food po 5/10. Nasa pinto na kami inutusan pa.
Alright, syempre, kasama natin yung mga masisipag nating ready tayo, 10, 9, 8,
Hi guys! Take out pa.
Malinis to.
So ganito gagawin natin para mas masaya, kailangan rumampa kayo. Rumampa.
Now, with the grace of the Lord, maraming salamat. So, alam ko that everyone is excited.
Yung may TikTok tayo, no? Oh, bago yun, ha? Sino sasayaw? Lahat. Okay, wait, nakaharang ako. Standby lang kayo lahat, ha? Make yourself... Paano? O, Fasi? Alam nyo na? Ganun lang. Okay. Sample. 1, 2, 3, and go! One more.
Yon, thank you, sir. Woo! One urban smile! One urban smile! Cause maybe you're a firework! let's go, let's go! Cheers! Cheers! Ay!
Gago, parang hindi nagpapansinan siya. Nawawala sneakers ko.
So much happened last night. A lot of things happened, and I'm so ashamed of myself. Ewan lang.
Uy, Jaden, nakita mo chinelas.
Where's Ara?
Hindi talaga ako makakalimutan.
Te. Teka lang.
Sa likod.
Kuya, ingatan niyo po kami ha. Gagraduate na kami.
Kahit after na night.
Ba't naman sinabi pa?
Ingit si Sir ko. Ingit niyo si Sir ko.
Polly! Let's go, go!
After all, seasons change, so do cities. People come into your life and people go. But it's comforting to know the ones you love are always in your heart. And if you're very lucky,